In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an expiration date and a password on an anyone link in SharePoint and OneDrive. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security to the files you choose to share. The process might sound a bit tricky initially, but by following along you'll find it quite straightforward. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and open your preferred web browser, head over to the Microsoft account page and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be greeted by your Microsoft dashboard. Next, you'll want to locate the app launcher. This can be found at the top left of your screen, resembling a small grid of dots. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of applications, and what we're interested in here is OneDrive. So give that a click. Now on your OneDrive page, direct your attention to the My Files option. This is where all your stored documents and files reside. Click on My Files to bring up a list of everything you've saved to OneDrive. The next step involves selecting the file you wish to share. Scroll through your files and pick the one you intend to make accessible to others. After selecting your desired file, look for the Share button, typically found at the top of the page, and click on it. With the sharing menu open, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you'd like to share the file with. If you have multiple people to share it with, you can add multiple email addresses separated by semicolons. At this point, you'll be setting permissions. You'll see an option to select whether people you're sharing with can edit or just view the file. Choose the setting that best matches your needs. Next, click on the default setting, which is usually anyone with the link can edit. This can be customized further by clicking again, which brings up additional security options. Here, you'll want to look for the option to set an expiration date. You can choose a specific date after which the link will automatically become inaccessible. Following this, you can set a password for added security. Click on the password field and enter a password that you can share with intended recipients separately. Once you've configured these settings, don't forget to hit apply to save all changes. Afterward, you'll have the option to either send the link directly via email or copy it to share through other means. Remember that these advanced sharing features are only available with a premium OneDrive subscription, so if you're not seeing these options, you might need to upgrade your account. And there you have it. You've successfully set an expiration date and password on an anyone link in SharePoint and OneDrive. Enjoy the added layer of security for your shared files.